New Center, Maine, we have Katie Cameron and her dog handler, Cam Cameron. Katie, how are you today?
I'm good. I'm very happy to be here. Thank you, Nina.
Oh, you're so welcome. So I was wondering, what are your interests in the days of today?
That's a great question. Thank you. Primarily, my interests are food, and then eating food, and looking for food.
Oh, so Katie, what is your favorite food?
Yeah, the food.
But what is your favorite?
Mm-hmm.
You don't have one?
Yes,
What is it?
food.
Well, okay. Do you have like a favorite meat?
Meat.
Okay, well, we'll move on to the next question.
I like salami.
Oh,
I like roast beef.
yeah,
I like chicken.
those are good.
Don't touch me. I like bologna. Who's that? Who's that?
That is
Get him out of here.
okay.
Sorry. Let's see. I like tuna. I like I like cheese. I like pepper jack cheese. I like yogurt. I don't like vegetables. What's the question again?
Well, I was gonna
Food.
ask
Meow.
your handler Cam some
Well, who
questions.
cares? Thank
You
you.
have a very nice laugh, Katie.
Thank you.
So Cam, how old is Katie exactly?
Well, I'm about, who knows? Who knows? We lost track. Maybe 2, maybe 3.
She's about 8
No,
years
no.
old. Oh, okay.
Did he say 3? Okay, I'll say 3.
8 years old.
No, that's not, no. No.
And besides food, what else do you love?
Are you talking to me now? Are
Yes,
you talking to my handler?
I'm talking to you.
Oh, thank you. I like food. I enjoy chasing squirrels.
Oh, okay.
I enjoy being petted by people.
Oh.
Yes,
And
pet my
Katie.
throat.
Where do you like to chase squirrels?
All over.
Well, do you have like a dog park that you go to?
Hinkley Park.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm tired. I'm tired of this.
Katie,
I'm tired.
Katie.
Who's that dog? Who's that other dog? I'm out of here.
Katie, come here.
I'm out of here.
Katie.
What the hell is this? Hello? Hello.
Hi, Linus.
Ha.
So here is Katie's brother, Linus
Yeah,
Cameron.
thanks for having me.
Hi, how are you?
I'm okay.
And so what are your interests? I'm guessing they're not the same as Katie's. but what-
No. I'm much more interested.
Okay.
Well, I like having balls thrown at me. I like the Confederacy. I like country music. I like Donald Trump. I like Christian spiritual songs. I like going to Baptist church.
Oh,
I
okay,
like-
that's enough, Linus.
Camouflage. I like Cabela's. I like guns. I could go on and on.
Okay, Linus.
I like Walmart.
Linus.
Yeah.
So
Thanks for having me.
you're welcome. I heard someplace that you can sing. Will you sing for us?
Yeah. Would you like an original, or would you like a little something that I've memorized in my heart?
Could you do both?
Yeah. This one's, well, I won't give it an intro. How about that? How about I just sing it?
Okay.
I got friends in low places where the whiskey drowns and the bear chases my blues away.
Nice.
But I'll be okay.
Oh, that was great, Linus.
I'm not a fan of so social graces, take off head on down to the oasis. I got friends in wild places.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Nice.
Hi, thank you. That makes my heart feel good. Thank you.
Okay,
You're
now.
very kind.
Oh, thank you. Now
Yeah.
the next one.
Well, first of all, I'd like to say that was by my good friend Garth Brooks,
Oh.
a great artist and a great American.
Yeah.
Now this one's by me, on my stage name, Ice T.
Oh, nice stage name.
Okay. Hold me, baby Jesus, in your arms. Hold me, baby Jesus, in your arms. Take my soul, sweet Lord.
Linus, are you okay?
I'm sorry. I get choked up. Take my soul, Lord God. I'm ready for your arms. Hold me, baby Jesus, in your arms. Rock me, baby Jesus, in your bosom. Rock me, baby Jesus, in your bosom. I'm surrounded by liberal Democrats, for they know not what they do. Rock me, baby Jesus, in your bosom. That's all I have right now.
Nice.
Thank
job.
you. Thank you. Thank you.
So, tell me more about.
Do you have any more questions for me?
Well, I have some questions for your handler.
Okay.
Does Linus have any siblings?
No,
And
she does
that's not Katie.
No.
I have Katie. Sorry, can I answer, or is that
Oh yeah.
just for him?
Oh, you can answer.
Yeah, I got Katie.
Yep.
Yeah, she calls me foolish.
Oh, do you know why?
Well, I think she thinks I'm a fool.
Yeah.
But I think she's been tainted by the media and the other liberal Democrats. You know what I mean?
Yes.
So
So,
can't blame her.
so tell me more about why
Rock
you.
me, baby Jesus,
Okay,
in your
Linus, that's
bosom.
enough singing.
Okay, I'm sorry.
So tell me.
I got so enthusiastic.
So tell me more about why you love having a ball thrown at you.
Oh, because I like to run and I like to chase things, and then I like to bring them back,
Do you like chasing squirrels?
and then repeat the process.
You have a very nice laugh too, Linus.
Thank you.
Do you like chasing squirrels like Katie?
Oh yeah. I'm sorry. Yeah, I do. I love chasing squirrels. When I was back home in Virginia, where I was raised, we used to chase squirrels all the time. You know what we did one time? We just ate one. We'd put it over a smoky fire, and we'd eat that squirrel. Sometimes we ate roadkill, but I don't want to go into that because that's, traumatic memories from when I was starving. Yeah. Did I just bring the mood down? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad you were here today. Thank you so
Hi,
much.
thanks for having me.
Oh, thank you so much for
Yep. Oh, give me a pit. Oh, that's nice of you. Yeah, thanks for everything.
Oh, you're welcome.
Trump 2020.
Okay, come on, Linus. Go with your handler.
All right.
Bye, Katie.
All right,
Bye,
I'm feeling hyper.
Oh.
Goodbye. Nice meeting you.
Nice
Give me a pit.
meeting you. Oh, does that feel nice?
You wouldn't care about me that I'm eating an
Katie, I thought you didn't like
Very, very good.
So, Katie, you do like vegetables.
Not really, but this one's here and it's got salt and pepper on it. Yummy!
Okay, well, now I'm going to ask some questions to their handler. So, okay. What, are they both golden retrievers?
Red golden
Red golden retrievers. And how old is Linus?
Here's 3 years old.
So yes, thank you for coming, and I will see you soon. Goodbye.